A gleaming white aircraft tears down the runway at Boscombe Down, accelerates to Mach 2, then drops to 200 feet above the English countryside, skimming terrain at 700 miles per hour, guided only by radar and computer, no human input, just machine precision navigating hills and valleys automatically. British test pilots land and report something unprecedented. The prototype works perfectly, no teething problems, no unexpected failures. The TSR2 isn't just years ahead of anything America or the Soviets have, it's decades ahead. 18 months later, every prototype is cut apart with blowtorches, every blueprint is burned, and every tool used to build it is smashed to pieces on direct government orders. This is the story of a British miracle that was too good to survive politics. Welcome to ShadowWorks. Today we open the file on the TSR2, the machine that was too good to exist, and the political conspiracy that ensured it never went to war. Late 1950s, the Cold War is entering its most dangerous phase, and the Royal Air Force faces an existential problem. The Soviet Union has deployed SA-2 surface-to-air missiles across Eastern Europe, the same missiles that will shoot down Gary Power's U-2 in 1960, proving that high-altitude bombing is dead. Any aircraft flying above 50,000 feet is now a target, which means the RA's entire nuclear deterrent strategy, high-altitude V-bombers carrying atomic weapons, is obsolete. Britain needs a completely new approach, a bomber that can penetrate Soviet airspace by flying so low that radar can't track it, fast enough that fighters can't intercept it, and smart enough to navigate terrain automatically because human pilots can't react quickly enough at those speeds and altitudes. The requirement is almost impossible. Mach 2 at high altitude, Mach 1.2 at 200 feet, automatic terrain following, nuclear payload, and the range to reach Moscow and return. It's asking for a fighter jet, a bomber, and a computer system that doesn't exist yet, all in one aircraft. British Aircraft Corporation's response was the TSR2 Tactical Strike and Reconnaissance, Mark II, and it was genuinely revolutionary. First, the terrain-following radar, a system that could scan the ground ahead, calculate safe flight paths through valleys and over ridges, and feed those commands directly into the autopilot without pilot input. This was 1964. Pocket calculators didn't exist yet, and the TSR2 had a computer flying the aircraft autonomously at 700 miles per hour, just 200 feet off the deck. Second, the engines. Two